Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to delete the standard intake pipe from the 3 litre HDI and put a better flowing pipe that makes the intake noise so much louder. So this is it. It's a 45-degree bend, 70mm pipe, and you need 2 Jubilee clamps to connect that down. This is how the original one bolts, and it's 2 T25s, and it unscrews by twisting the whole unit to the left at the bottom.
So there's your
So
clamping
the bottom
ring.
end of it you don't cut.
Your clamping ring is that gap between the flexi part
it fits nice and snug
and the end.
Underneath,
and then this just
friction
literally
hose.
sticks inside the end of here with a bit of force. Try to do it one hand. There you go. So that sits in there. And the bottom of this is what gives it its flexibility to fit back in the standard airbox mounting. And then your clamps actually going to sit around here and clamp down onto the original plastic piping.
You're basically cutting it just after that line, so you're keeping this plastic piece here that could be clamped into the new pipe.
Line this up as we get it inside here. It's hard to show with one hand, but basically we get it's not like it is now, but you make sure that the 2 holes line up either side here. And what you want to do is, as you can see, the tube is going to be slightly out askew now, but that will all fit together later. What you need to do is you want to rotate the tube. See what I'm doing with my hand? So I'm rotating the tube like this. So you want the tube really to be in line with that, and then obviously when you do that you need to adjust the end here so it mounts onto the car properly, basically, which is what mine's like. So mine sits like that on there, and then as you can see it's pretty much in line with the airbox below. So guys, of course in real time this is taking much longer than hopefully it's going to take you. So what we've done so far, we've cut the end off, plastic end. We've also cut one end of the pipe all the way down to the furthest point you can get, which is there, see? And I've had to orientate the head, or the mounting head, loads of times to get in this position. So now this fits exactly straight onto here, and it's angled slightly down to the right hand side, and it is in line with the airbox. So that's the first thing to do, get the end cut. Trim the end, blend the end in, which I've done, taken all the excess off, and then I've cut the pipe off this end. So far, I'll show you how it looks on the car, and then we'll get on to the next stage. There we are guys, so all done. Now, I'm going to tell you, I made a mistake of cutting my hose too short. So really, you want that hose in line with that, so it doesn't look very neat. Doesn't look the best, but I can always get another pipe and redo that at some point. More importantly, it is done. I've adjusted this the right way around, so hopefully this should now fit. Remember, I'm going to push this down, slot this in, bolt it in, and it's done. So let's go and find out.